Hello guys, welcome to Break It Fix It. Today we're gonna be replacing an iPhone SE Touch ID. First thing you wanna do is remove the Touch ID bracket and unscrew the two screws. Now you're gonna want to unscrew the third screw and remove the bracket. Now the Touch ID sensor is gonna pop off very easily. Now that we have removed the screen, we can gently pull off the Touch ID. Just like that. Now we're gonna grab our new Touch ID, place it in there. We're gonna grab our 3 screws and one by one and all in order, place them back in. Make sure that they're tight so you still have the nice clicky sound of the Apple Touch ID. Now you can start plugging in the 3 cables of the screen. And that's it guys, hope this was helpful. See you next time, subscribe.